Hey everybody, I'm Ian. I work here at the Fort Worth Public Library, and today we're going to use a 2-liter soda bottle to create a rain gauge, which is perfect for days like today. The first step that you need to do is cut off the top of the bottle using a sharp pair of scissors. Kids, always make sure to let your adults do this part. Once you've cut off the neck of your bottle from the bottle itself, you'll need to add a couple of heavy objects. Stones work really well, but also marbles do. Now that I put the stones in the bottom, it's time to turn our top part into a funnel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it inside the lip, just like that, and add some duct tape. Don't worry about your tape job. It's okay if it's a little messy. The important thing is that it holds the funnel so that way the rain falls inside. Next, we're going to take a little bit of water and just cover the bottom, basically where the rocks are. And right at where the water line is, I'm going to make a red mark with a permanent marker right about there. Now I can take a ruler and add the inches marks on the side so that way we can tell how much rain has fallen. Now that I have labeled how many inches are on each side, you can place this outside to collect that rainwater. Just make sure to empty it out so that way mosquitoes don't collect inside. I hope you enjoyed today's activity, and don't forget to check out the other activities we're posting here on the Fort Worth Public Library social media.